Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a delicious salad recipe. If you want to see how I made this salad, definitely keep watching. For this salad, we're going to be using carrots, apple, baby plum tomatoes, cucumber, the star salad trio, grated mozzarella, salad cream. This salad trio is made is like you've got three variety of salad. So you've got the lolo rosso, lolo biondo, and oak leaf lettuce. Next we're going to wash our salad. Okay, so I finished washing the salad, so I'm just going to keep it in this sieve and allow it to drain. Next we're going to be prepping our carrots. And this is our carrots. I'm just going to slice the vegetables. So I'm just going to chop the cucumber as well in similar sizes. So this is my cucumber. Okay, this is our cucumber chopped. If you have an apple cutter, you can use it. So this is the apple. Apple is better because it's not too sweet. It has this sweet, tangy taste it gives to your salad. Use our tomato. So I'm still going to rinse it off a little bit. And this is the prepping done. I'm done with the prepping of the salad. Oh, by the way, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the like button, subscribe as well, share it to your family and friends. Please guys, let's get to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. And by the way, my birthday is in May. So thank you guys for subscribing. So let's get back to the video. I'm going to be adding this one first. So for my salad, I will just chop them roughly, like not too big, not too small. Just a little cut here and there, like this. So this is it. Then we add our carrots, our cucumber, our apples. Oh my goodness, this apple tastes so good. A little bit of mozzarella cheese, just a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Add a few tomato. Add a little bit of salad cream, not so much, just a little bit of salad cream. Then you repeat the process again. So add some carrots again. The cucumber. Next I'm going to add the apple slices again. It's as if you're making lasagna, guys. You just have to repeat the process. Tomato. Some people add egg. You can add egg if you like, but I don't want egg. Grated mozzarella. They're open. My salad cream. And now is the moment of truth, guys. So let's have a taste. I just had one. It was so good. Let's have a try. Guys, it tastes so good. The apple, the carrots, the cucumber, they all work well together. Ooh, this tastes really, really good. Like I said, if you have not tried adding apple to your salad, give it a try. It tastes so amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.